Investment subject to market risk. Read all the document carefully. This channel is for education purpose. We are not responsible for your profit and loss. We are not a SEBI registered advisor. You can analyze your stock before investing. Let's see how payoff graph and algo software of our four strategies: bull call spread, bear put spread, bear call spread, bull put spread. Welcome, my dear friends. This is the last part of option chain in a stock market A to Z video series, video number 35. It Last video we are discussing about iron condor call put option strategy. In this video, we are discussing about bull spread, call put option, bull call spread, bear put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread is a combination of four strategies. In this video, we are discussing about. This is the last video of the call put option strategy series. Bull call spread. Let's see. A bull call spread can be applied when expect market appropriate and trend with the range of the current price. It is implemented by the buying at the money call option and selling the OTM of the call option. Let's see how these things is happen. Suppose market was around 24,200 to 24,400 in a range. In this scenario, what can I do? I can buy 24,200 CE around 30 rupee premium. I can sell. Okay, sir. This thing is about buy. And if I sell 24,400 CE, at the price of 20 rupees. 30 rupees I paid and 20 rupees I received. RECEV. Now net PNL where I can start this salary that I 10 rupees paid because 20 rupees I already received out of 30. Suppose market moves. Let's see our strategy. What thing is happening? You can see this. If in this, if if the price over into this range, then we make maximum profit. If stock goes below this level, there you are starting to make lost the money because of this CE. Then this CE becomes zero, and this is becomes whenever it becomes a zero in expiry date. That you can receive 20 rupees and net your loss is 10 rupees. Net loss is rounding 10 rupees. But if your trend is in a range, then you can get maximum profit. And if your trend is going above this, then this thing give you loss, but this thing is give you profit, and both are nullified. Make or break lever up to this is in range of the both trend. Let's all the example together. Let say beer put spread. Beer put spread can be applied where we expect market is in range below. Trade is going to your range below. Assume that we are buying a 20,000 put option for the rupees 176 rupees and 10 paisa, and sell it 109 put option. Break even price is maximum profit कितना 3,000, maximum loss 2,000, break even point 19,096. Beer call spread, bull call spread, and beer put spread were buying strategy. We will now look at the option writing strategy. It means both options are sold. Assume we sell call option and buy the upper both the strategies. Beer call spread and a beer put spread, we buy ATP and sell the OTP. In this case is we buy OTP and sell the in the money call option. Beer call spread sell call 19,800 and buy call of 20,100. Here maximum profit is our 8,640. Maximum loss is the 6,360. Break even point is 19,972. In a put call spread, bull put spread, sell the put option at in this your maximum profit is up to this. Let's see all the four examples in the live charts and PNL charts. Start with the bull call spread. Buy in this case Nifty 29th August expiry. It is your PNL profit loss graph. Here your maximum loss is up to 3,960. Maximum profit is up to 5,060 rupees. And it is percentage is 38.70%. Break even point is the 24,348. Estimated of margin premium 12,072 rupees. Risk reward ratio 1.37. It is not a favorable risk ratio. Let's see bear put spread. Therefore, bull put spread. In this we can buy the CEs and sell the CE. In the body CE buy OTM, out the body CE we can sell. No. This is bull put spread. Bull put spread. Sorry, reset. Bull put spread. In this way, we can sell the ATB. Right, ITB in the money. At the money price of BE and buy the OT out the money price. This thing we can when done when we are know that market is going to downside. Here risk reward strategy is 1.4. Here maximum profit is the 3,047. Maximum loss is the 5,703. Here this chart is say then both are the bullish or bearish strategy. Bear call spread. No, reset. Bear call spread. We in this we can sell the ATP and buy the OTP. And here is your risk reward is not favorable. It is one gem 0.73. Here maximum loss is up to 3,690. Maximum profit loss is to 5,060. Break even point is the 24,347. Beer put spread. In this case, eighty at the money price is put is taken and the OTM out the money is sold to this. In this both the cases, risk reward ratio is favorable for the bull call spread or bear put spread. In this case, risk reward is to come 1.87. In this case, also be risk reward ratio 1 gem 1.3.7. It means 1 gem 1. In above bull call spread and bear put spread strategy. Call writer not make a money in both the cases. Call or put writer, option writer. Let's see bull call spread. Let's see the parameters. In this case, maximum loss is up to 1,500. Stop loss move 500 points. Profit moves 100 points. Bank Nifty near weekly. Option near weekly minus 100 CE. It means minus 100 rupees. Strike price C is it will be buy, and Bank Nifty near weekly 200 CE is sold in the both cases. Here beer put spread here maximum profit. Right. Master target is not given. Master stop loss is 105 1,500 points. maximum profit move 100%, stop loss move 500%, trailing stop loss. Bullish put trade, it is a 2 lakh strategy. In this, both far far 400 point V far OTM is a buy at 200 nay 200 put is buy sell. Another two strategies in this. I also share this presentation in this video's description, and I can share this Algo software link with you. Thank you, friends, for listening me. Thank you.